What the hell?
What? It can't be!
But how? There's no way.
Greetings. I am Lelouch Britania of the royal family, 99th Emperor of the realm. Charles Britania, the 98th Emperor, no longer lives, and I'm the one who took his life.
Guards, take that fool and execute him! He's guilty of murdering our emperor!
May I introduce Susaku Kururugi, my knight. Let me make this easy for you all to understand. Acknowledge me as Emperor!
We hear and obey your majesty.
All hail Emperor Lelouch!
All hail Lelouch! All hail Lelouch!